Let's make the floral beautiful earrings with the help of those cutouts. As you can see, I already gave the base with the acrylic color on this cutout with yellow, white and creamish color. Let's get some lovely floral designs with pencil. Once we have got our designs, we will lightly erase the lines to make them faint. This will help our colors pop when we paint. As you can see, I'm drawing flower petals. You can draw whatever you like, all kinds will look good. Ta-da! Look at this amazing design. I'm so excited to share it with you. Please forgive my inner child. Alright, let's get to the fun part, adding colors. I'm so excited to bring these designs to life with vibrant shades. I'm also painting tiny strawberries. They are just the cutest. Trust me, these earrings will look so beautiful at the end. I'm so excited to wear this. They are going to be perfect for a special occasion. I can't wait to show them off and see how they complete my look. These pieces are unique and add that special touch to any outfit. I'm sure they will get a lot of compliments. It's almost ready. I'm so excited to try these two pairs. Finally, after hooking with jump rings, it's ready. Let's try them on. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love them. Each piece has its own unique charm. Which one do you like best? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more DIY ideas and tips. Hit that notification bell so you are always updated with the latest content. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.